I don't talk trash, I talk the truth.
We're talking truth on your trash channel.
We're gonna catch like one fish and you're just gonna get unlucky and not catch any.
Yeah, you're not gonna catch anything. You're you're the one that set our poles up. You sabotage.
This is the kind of hate that I'm getting right now from these smack talking 14-year-olds. So what? Anyways, welcome back guys to another episode. Today I've got two trash talking teenage boys that think they can outfish me in a 1v2. So
No.
see, still trash talking. So today we are going to 1v2 it out. What we thinking, 10 fish?
5, 10.
5, 10, all right, we'll go 10 fish. First team to 10 fish wins. Loser, I guess, buys lunch or something. I don't know, I'll buy you Estes if I lose somehow. But I've got Ross over here hooked up with the GoPro. I've got my GoPro on, so we'll make sure they're not cheating, saying they're catching fish when they're not. What are we thinking, an hour? Or just first to 10?
We'll do an hour and a half.
Okay, an hour it is. It doesn't matter, because I'm gonna catch my 10-man limit in like 10
3
seconds.
hours.
Nah, Doug. All right, so we'll catch you on the GoPro. It's windy. Yeah, it's recording. Okay. First cast. I'm about to lay down the hammer on you guys.
Aaron, you're not gonna catch anything.
Bet.
Get your butt cheeks.
Ooh, okay, buddy. Trash talking 14-year-olds that don't even fish.
What do you mean?
What do we expect of us? Hey, who said I was bass fishing? You just wait till I catch a slaunch donkey.
Channel self-explanatory. Bad bass fishing. Well, you're bad at bass fishing. Whoa!
Whoa, doggy.
How'd you get it so far?
All right, guys. A little windy, so excuse the wind noise. But we're starting off with a nice spinnerbait here. Nice overcast, cloudy conditions, a little bit of wind.
Starting off not catching anything.
These noobs right here don't know how to fish. Steven's throwing a swim jig, Ross is throwing a slider. They're still, hey, you better watch your mouth. These guys are still trash talking. Just wait till I lay the hammer on a 12-pounder.
Made you look.
Got him! It's clear that these guys have no idea what's happening right now. There's one. Oh! Oh! Oh!
You're the one that set our poles up. You sabotaged us.
I did not. I put on 2 things that I've caught many fish on out here with.
Bad stuff.
Nah, dog, I would never do that. Hey, I don't see any fish on the end of yours either.
Yeah, because it's in the water.
I'm gonna keep talking trash.
Look at my pole.
You still talking trash over here?
Still talking trash. Like I said, talking truth.
Let's hear that again. Say it to my face.
We're talking truth on your trash channel.
Let's see you cast. I bet you don't even know how to cast. Let's see it.
Yeah, get out of here.
Watch this.
Let's see it. How's it going?
Hold on.
How's it going?
Good. Watch this. Did you see that?
Whoa.
We mean business around.
I'm gonna put the camera down so I can at least attempt to catch a fish because you guys are just master casters.
We're gonna catch like one fish and you're just gonna get unlucky and not catch any.
Oh, we'll see.
No, I'll be the one to catch a fish and then just lose it because I suck. Look at him fishing on the dock.
Yeah, look at him fishing on there like a dumb noob.
I'm gonna go over there and like just follow him around.
gonna go sabotage him.
Yeah.
All right, let's go sabotage this.
I can steal his fish.
Oh, Pepe.
Hello.
I'll steal your fish.
Is that thing over here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. There we go. First one. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. First fish. Get in here, baby. Woo! There it is. The icebreaker. The icebreaker right there, folks. Number one. Thank you so much, buddy. Now we're taking the lead. Cheater, go change your bait then, Steven. Oh yeah, now you're real mad now that I'm catching them, huh? There we go. About time we caught one.
Oh! That scared the crap out of me. Well, there goes that perfect content. I wasn't even like meaning to freak out. That just, it was like right here, and I was just about to pull my pole up, and then the fish just bites it. No, I'll be the one to catch a fish and then just lose it because I suck.
That happened to me a second ago. I caught one in front of the dock and then it fell off. So the thing that comes
Oh, I bet it did, Steven. That was Ross's chance. So 20 some more minutes. And I see the deal with my one fish win. Unless you, oh, you're gonna have to. You have to buy me some cheese balls or something. Well, this is a challenge, Steven. You trash talk. You did. Yeah. There we go. Here we go. Come on. Oh, God, it's about to fall off. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my gosh, he is beat up.
probably one of the, what is it?
Holy cow. Look at that.
Probably one of the fish that dared and then like
I don't know.
swung around in the air.
Probably.
Does my GoPro need to be tilted down more?
A little bit more. Oh, that went a good one. Look at this. This fish. Oh my gosh. This fish is like really beat up. Little zombie fish. All right, buddy. Thanks again. Woo! That's right, boys. 2-0. That's right. 2-0. I'll have 5 before. Oh,
No, okay.
You-
Literally.
Ross, I saw the wakes. I saw the
You see the one
right here.
there?
Yeah,
Just like swam right by it.
I saw it. But guess what? You didn't catch it.
I don't even know what I want to do. Like, I don't know if I should leave him out or cut him out. But if I cut him out, I have no footage. Oh! Let's go! Yeah! Aaron, I can't read you guys.
He
caught
one.
Aaron.
Oh my gosh. He did it. He did it. Caught one. Alright, you gotta take it off.
Yeah.
Alright, you better have your partner Steven over there take it off then.
Steven.
I just had a bite, bro.
Steven, get over here.
I had a bite.
Oh!
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 Bro, he's got
He
an
got it.
angle.
Oh my gosh. So what was that? It's one for you guys? That's what? That's one for team trash talk? Hey, fuck you. One for team trash talk, I guess. Alright,
God, whenever you were talking, telling me to get it off your pole, I got I turned around at you. She's fucking bitch.
Click your
Pick the
thing.
fish up my pole.
It don't matter. Your hands wet or not. Oh. Zeke's just chilling. He's chilling with mom. What do you mean? Oh! Oh! Get up here, baby! Oh! Woohoo! Woo!
It's because we need new bait, Aaron.
3. Then go get new bait, dog. That's right. Number 3.
Let me film.
All right. Number 3. We're up 3-1. Ow, that hurt. All right. One step closer.
I'm gonna try and re-catch his
Ross, you
fish.
have to be like Aaron. Ready?
Are you talking about like my circle cast, or I'm like?
You ready for this?
Oh! Woo! Right out front. Oh! All right, he popped off. Oh, chill, dude. Number 4. In your faces.
Get it, babe.
Number 4. One step closer, baby. One step closer.
I like how there was
Bye-bye.
no trash
My line,
talking until
bitch.
you started the camera.
What?
I like how there's no trash talking until you started the camera.
You're right. Because I let the fishing do the talking, dog. Okay, well, we're done catching fish. I did not take the L, unlike this dude. And this dude, like, right here. So, big fat W for me. Won 4-1. These trash talkers are done for. Yeah. What you gotta say now, Steven? What you gotta say? What you gotta say, huh? Now that you took the L, what do you gotta say? Come on. Yeah, that's what I thought. What about you, Josh Ronson? What you got to say, huh? What do you got to say?
Someone cut my line. I was sabotaged.
What do you think about that, Steven?
Cut my line too.
Oh, wow. Both the lines were cut, apparently. Obviously not, because the jig is just on the end of the line, and I tied your jig back on, so.
Yeah, but I had to redo mine.
Whatever. You guys took the L at the dub for me. Someone owes me lunch, so. That's about it for this video. It was a long battle. I don't know, we were out here like, what, an hour? Something like that, an hour. And Ross is getting picked up right now, so that's the end of our battle. So, if you guys would like a part 2 at a different place, different like prize and, I don't know, different people, hit that subscribe button.
Battery life.
And a longer battery life for Ross's GoPro. Hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up on the video. So, that'll be it for today's video. These guys took the big L. Oh, God. Come here, boy. So, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing.